The software engineering expert role is evolving. In this series, I will be discussing how the software engineer expert role has evolved with the current AI technologies that are dominating the software engineering and technology space. I will also be demonstrating an application that I developed using AI technologies, and I deployed it in the cloud. So, welcome to the new evolved career of AI software engineer expert role. The new AI software engineer expert role involves a lot of new innovation in line with AI technologies. The software engineer expert role is evolving into the AI software engineer expert role. The role incorporates AI skills sets in line with the AI technology revolution. So this is the next generation software engineering expert 2.0 work streams, and they will include the development engineer, CI and infrastructure, CI for continuous integration, the development engineer, CLI and tooling for command line interface and tooling, the IT systems engineer, SaaS for software as a service and procurement, the cloud engineer, which also includes ISC, which is infrastructure as code, which is basically automation of deployments in the cloud. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the future of software engineering redefined. The skill sets that are required are the same that the software engineers used to have, but added on top of that is the AI technologies. So skill set number one would be coding, and of course you have to have your basic design skills, programming languages such as C++, Python, HTML and CSS for the web, API and MCP, JavaScript, front-end and back-end frameworks such as React, Vite, FastAPI, also Fastify, SQL and NoSQL skill sets. Skill set number two is infrastructure, and for that you need your knowledge of on-premise, hybrid and cloud technologies such as GCP, AWS and Azure. And the areas of expertise include CI/CD, e.g. using GitHub Actions, Buildkite and so on, and CLI, SaaS, IT, SSO, IAM, IAC, such as Terraform, CWS. And your skill set number three is problem solving and systems thinking. As the software engineering expert, you have to be an independent, fast-paced worker, comfortable working in a fast-paced environment. Also, skill set number four is your collaborative skills, and for that you would use tools such as Git, GitHub and version control. At this stage, I want to introduce an idea which I had, the concept of the AI food chain. At the heart of the AI revolution is the class pyramid economic gains. This can be represented by the AI food chain concept. The essence of the AI food chain is the evolution of jobs by class and role, influenced by the AI technology revolution. So, in the AI pyramid at the top, you would have the executives, which were your CEOs, transforming into AI entrepreneurs. And notice that I'm calling them AI entrepreneurs because with the AI revolution, almost anyone, be it huge corporates or individuals, can take advantage of this technology to start up enterprises which can grow into unicorns. At the middle tier, the professionals, which were like your software engineer professionals, will transform into AI innovators. These are the people driving the technology innovations in the AI revolution. And at the bottom of the stack, the general labor or the not so skilled workers will evolve into AI data generators, in the sense that these people will be using the AI technologies such as software apps or robotic technologies, and in the process they generate a lot of AI data which feeds into the pyramid, which is going to be used by the innovators to improve the technologies and in the process build up the enterprises, the AI enterprises. The argument of the food chain is that, in fact, instead of AI technologies cannibalizing jobs, as what a lot of people are saying, in my view, there are a lot of jobs that are actually going to be created as a result of AI technologies. So we need not be afraid of these technologies, but actually we should be embracing the technologies. The only issue is that because of the changing roles, we have to adapt and skill up and get yourself skilled up with AI technologies. For example, Chilomdeo would be a solutions and software engineering expert, evolving into AI solutions and software engineering expert. Also, Tendai Mukuyu would be currently an infrastructure and systems engineering expert, evolving into AI infrastructure and systems engineering expert, and so on and so forth. In this series plan, I have 3 tracks of the software engineering experts in evolution. The first track will be the development engineering expert. And under this track, we have full stack web apps development. And the technologies involved include front end, back end, API patterns, CLI and tools, design and frameworks, AI paradigms. Track number 2, which is the systems engineering expert. We have SaaS and PaaS, and the technologies include runtime, frameworks, operating systems, and automation. Track number 3, which is infrastructure engineering expert. And under this track, we have IaaS, CI/CD, and the technologies involved include the compute, storage, networks, and infrastructure as code. So as I mentioned, I will be demonstrating an application that I developed using AI technologies. In the process, I will show you how, as software engineering expert, you have to skill up to be able to use AI technologies, take advantage of the AI technologies and embrace them, and in the process be able to, for example, develop an application such as this KJobs application. So the KJobs application is a full stack application, web application, developed using AI and deployed on the cloud. Let's take a closer look at our sample KJobs digital economy application. This is a full stack app to demonstrate AI innovation in action. It is developed by Kaziwai LLC using Google AI Studio, followed by local testing on the desktop, and also finally being deployed in the GCP or Google Cloud platform. So in order for you to be able to skill up into this role, you need to have a STEM education background. So we are empowering the next generation of innovators with hands-on AI engineering and real-world problem solving. We are pushing the boundaries of AI technologies. AI systems will be installed using cloud infrastructure, accessible in cities across the globe, enhancing productivity and transforming workflows. From general tradesmen to professionals delivering services to customers worldwide on the KJobs digital economy platform. Thank you. We appreciate your time and attention. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to reach out at kaziwai.com.